Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how to add token to Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then if you have already set up any login password, then you just have to log in into your Phantom Wallet account first. Once you've done that, on the home page, you are going to view your current balance and some other options like receive, send, and buy. But in order to add a token into your Phantom Wallet, you just have to see this option that says manage token list. So if you are able to find this option, then you simply need to tap on it, and then you will be landed on this manage token list section. Now over here, you will be able to see Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polygon, and right next to it, you will be able to see this type of toggle button, which will be turned on. So if it is turned on, it simply means that these are available and you will be able to view them on the home page. But other than these tokens, if you want to add any other token, then you just have to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar, if you search for any other token, then it will show you that no token available. It is because in order to add tokens to your Phantom Wallet, you cannot actually just have the list of those tokens. You need to basically transfer those tokens into your Phantom Wallet. Only then you will be able to view them on the home page. So as of right now, this is the only workaround of adding the tokens into your Phantom Wallet. Other than this, unfortunately, you will not be able to add any other tokens in order to just view them with zero balance. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.